You say the Earth is perfectly smooth all the way around and has exactly an 8,000 mile diameter, and you were to add 10 feet to the circumference, you'd make a ring with the circumference 10 feet longer than the current circumference. What's the largest critter that could fit underneath that ring? Would it be a giraffe? Look at that gnat. Alligator, snake, or amoeba? The Earth, perfectly smooth. You're going to build a ring around it 10 feet longer. Okay, you're going to add 10 feet to the circumference. It's got 8,000 miles diameter. What's the largest critter that could fit under there? Giraffe, alligator, snake, amoeba.